Hello, I'm Jillian Garrigues with the Idaho Transportation Department. Over the summer, ITD hosted an in-person and online open house for the State Highway 55 Farmway Road to Middleton Road project. We would like to thank everyone who took the time to participate, learn about the project, and provide feedback. Work completed as a part of this project will improve safety and mobility on State Highway 55 between Farmway Road and Middleton Road in Canyon County. In this video, we'll share what we heard at the meeting, go over the design plans for this section of the corridor, and give some information about what to expect when construction starts next year. ITD held the in-person and online open house in late July. Here are some of the questions you asked. Will ITD have detours or divert traffic onto local roads? Yes, but ITD has planned construction to minimize closures and detours. Where work is happening, we will leave one lane open in each direction during the daytime. There may be occasional closures at the road or intersections, but these closures will happen at night or on occasional weekends. What are ITD's plans for State Highway 55 west of Farmway Road? ITD is in the early stages of designing improvements to State Highway 55 between Pear Lane and Farmway Road. Preliminary designs are expected early next year. ITD chose to prioritize the Farmway Road to Middleton Road section of the corridor due to the findings of the corridor study. Will the bike lanes on State Highway 55 be safe? ITD is building a detached multi-use pathway along both sides of State Highway 55. The paths will be 10 feet wide and be separated from traffic by a landscape buffer. Additionally, ITD is collaborating with the City of Caldwell on a pedestrian undercrossing near 10th Avenue and Valley View Middle School. ITD anticipates building the State Highway 55 Farmway Road to Middleton Road project in phases. The project phases and schedule may change, but here's what's expected. Phase 1 will begin by adding temporary pavement on the shoulders of State Highway 55, begin work on irrigation and canal structures, and build the frontage road near 10th Avenue. Phase 2 will widen the intersections of State Highway 55 and other roadways. These include 10th Avenue, Montana Avenue, Indiana Avenue, Florida Avenue, Lake Avenue, and Midway Road. Phase 2 will also likely see widening starting on the eastbound lanes from Farmway Road to Montana Avenue and westbound lanes from Farmway Road to Lake Avenue, and the start of bike and pedestrian pathway construction. Phase 3 will see the rest of the roadway widen to 2 lanes in each direction, as well as the construction of sound walls at select locations. Phase 4 will finish the project with the installation of the center median, adjusted signal timing, and final striping. Construction is expected to start summer of 2024. ITD will keep you informed about anticipated impacts as we get closer to construction. To sign up for updates, scan the QR code on the screen. Thank you for taking the time to be involved in the State Highway 55 Farmway Road to Middleton Road project. If you have additional questions, please refer to the contact information on the screen. Thank you again.